I'm fast, slow, slow. Oh fuck. One more water crossing. But luckily my bike is overloaded still. And yesterday I tried to reach Sinkula top but failed miserably. In fact, there were a lot of problems. I had to replace the clutch plate, and only I know how I did it. But here I am. So we are heading towards Leh. So here is me again in the middle of nowhere. Sarchu is somewhere around 50 odd kilometers, 55-ish kilometers away from this place. Why don't you honk when you have to overtake? Come on, man. This is Leh-Manali highway, and the plan is to somehow reach Leh, and GPS says we will reach Leh by midnight, 12 AM. Let's hope that doesn't happen, or maybe we can do a pit stop somewhere in the middle. Yesterday's water crossing was so difficult. It actually made me test my limits as well as my bike's limit. My bike was dead. I had to drag it literally. There was that KTM fellow who was in front of me. So that poor fellow helped me reach the helipad down below. And from there, BRO folks took over and they dropped me to Jispa. Though they took money, but somehow the job was done and I was at Jispa. From Jispa, the task was to somehow get this thing fixed. The clutch plate was burnt, and this was useless with all that luggage. Then I found a shop, like it was sort of downtown, but that guy actually replaced the clutch plate with a Dominar 400 clutch plate. It's working as of now at least, and I hope it doesn't fail. That's why I'm scared a bit. If it fails somewhere in the middle, I am fucked. This Ladakh trip is very difficult for me from the start, and I'm not kidding. It is very difficult. I had to spend somewhere around 10,000 rupees to get myself ready to proceed further because of that Sinkula top path which I took, unfortunately. I was scared. I had to go back to Mandi to KTM service center to get this thing fixed, but luckily things are working well. So the plan is to somehow reach Leh, get this thing fixed, and I mean, fixed would be an overstatement. To get this thing checked and actually replace the existing clutch plate with the actual KTM clutch plate. It is working for now, and I'm sure it will work for the next, I don't know, thousands of kilometers, but it is a good practice to, idiot proof and fail proof your devices, because I don't want to overburden this thing. My god, this thing is high. The altitude. I've just driven somewhere around like approximately a 15-story building. That thing yesterday has broken my will. Okay, so these guys are also making a new bridge. Yeah, this one is a lousy one. Wow, there is ice now. One more obstacle. But we are going to do it. We are going to do it by hook or crook. Oh my god. I hope there are no water crossings. And I think there is water crossing. There we go. Which I do not want to cross. There is water. There must be black ice. Yeah, I think I'm seeing ice. Oh my god. Oh fuck. One more water crossing. But luckily बच गया, बच गया, बच गया. Let's take the safest route. Oh my god. Black ice? No, it's not black ice. Wow. Oh, left. I don't want to go into that. Let them pass. Oh wow. It was a good thing I brought these winter gloves. They are pretty reliable. Only minor, you know, cold I am feeling over there. Rest everything is fine. That seems like a water crossing, or it's just tourists hanging out. Ah, it's just tourists. Wow. I'm fast, slow, slow. अभी और चढ़ाई है, हे भगवान. Oh my god. Uh-oh. No stones, please. Wow.